Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to discuss about how to use a flex card in Lightning page. So before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So in the last flex card tutorial videos, I have shown how to create a flex card using a data source type of Apex REST. So if you have not gone through those videos, please do check it out. So in this case, for this flex card, the data source type is Apex REST, and I have provided the endpoint as well, and the method type is get. It just simply retrieves 5 account records, and it will show like account IDs and name. And I have activated the flex card, and to use the flex card in a record page, uh, we need to mind about how where the publish options are there for the flex card. So in the publish options, we need to select the targets on which this flex card needs to be shown, and this is exposed checkbox needs to be checked. And in here we can see that I have marked checked for the app page, home page, record page, community page. So for all these 4 cases, we can find this activated flex card. So I'll be for today's session, I'll be just adding this flex card into a record page, account record page specifically. So we can find this publish option from this drop down and these publish options. It will provide the publish option while activating the flex card as well. Then where we can select, or we can just manually select the publish options from here. So now I have an account page, so I'll just edit the page. And we can find from the custom, so all the standard components will be shown first, and from the custom components we can find our flex card here. So this is our flex card Apex REST Flex C. So we can drag and drop the flex card. So I'll be just adding one new tab, then I can just put the flex card. I'll be providing the name of the tab as accounts list flex card. And in this tab I will be adding this flex card, and in the preview we can see that flex card is showing proper records, and I'll be just saving the page and changes are saved. Let me check it out. And in this tab accounts list flex, we can find our proper data is coming. It's showing the ID and accounts, name of the accounts for the 5 accounts. So this is how we can simply use FlexCut in a Lightning page. So that's all for this today's session. Please stay tuned. Please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.